Today in my Instagram I gave a poll of Mercedes-Benz and Thar. So most of you people give the poll for Mahindra Thar. So today we are going in Mahindra Thar showroom, and that's name is Kalyan Sales Mahindra showroom. So as you can see the Mahindra Thar. So we are at the back of it. Now let's go in it. It is an off-road vehicle, you can say. And over here, you can see over here you get a cruise control. Over here, you can see. And over here you can speak. And there are two variants in Mahindra Thar. There is one convertible rooftop also and one closed rooftop. So this we are seeing the closed rooftop one. And you can see there are two gear knobs because it is an off-road vehicle. Over here it is a manual one, and this is the off-road one. So the 2H for two-wheel drive, 4H for four-wheel drive, and N is for neutral, and 4L is for that you can see path holes. Your car is stuck in path holes, so you can shift it to 4L. And it will give more torque, then the car will be out from the path holes. So the radio is of 7-touch color screen, you can see over here. And this is to operate, these are some buttons to operate over here. This is for the volume one, and you can see two AC vents, the hazard lights over here, seat belt one, and the passenger airbag. Okay, and there are, this is for charging, this is for USB aux, and over here is 12 voltage power socket. And now let's go at the back. Now over here are also, this is for the slope, and these must be for the slope uphill, and these are all that buttons, and this is for the light, how much brightness do you want of the lights. So and over here there are two power windows over here, and over here it must be for some AC types, the handbrake, and the gear, the 6 gears are there. Over here the indicators and the light control and some more. And over here for the high beam and low beam, and the water pressure to clean the windshield. So and I'll also show you how to access the back seats. Now let's get at the back. So I'll show you, it is an amazing way. So over here first we have to, over here there is a type something, you have to do it, it will go over here, and then we are in. As you saw, you can see there is a lot of space still in Mahindra Thar. At the back you can see there is nothing much over here at the back. And this is for the braking lights, it will show on the windscreen. And this is for when the boot will open. This is for holding it, seat belts. Please, and I was also thinking that where are the speakers? As you cannot see over here, mostly the speakers are over here and over there. But in Mahindra Thar, the speakers is over here, here, and here. Isn't it amazing? Okay, and the space is lot more, and the seats are full back, you can see, and nothing much at the back. And these are the LED lights, you can see, these are so cool, no? Now let's get in the front and tell you the features of the front. You can see the buttons, and over here you can see the buttons are lightning, they look so cool. And over here also, the socket is even lightning. You can see over here. Here is the key of Mahindra Thar. So it is flip key, and it doesn't comes with the keyless entry. Lock, unlock. And this start button is for if your car is locked and if somebody is trying to open it. So it is working like this. In the M Hawk 130 variant and a Hawk logo, and this is an antenna, the left side indicator, and you can see the tires are quite big, and it is of C8, and you can over here see the Gazar Alt 80. So 80 variants are mostly for off-roading, and this is the front look of all new Mahindra Thar. Over here the fog lamps, indicators, and the headlights, they are halogen, and again indicators, the fog lamps, and you can even sitting on the front of all Mahindra Thar, as you can see. And there are merchandise. This is also of Mahindra Thar, and as you can see, the engine and other parts of Mahindra Thar. This is the engine. It is quite large, and over here you can see they are up, but in most of the cars they are not up, because if the car goes in water, so the engine, if the engine catches water, so the car can shut, so it will create a huge problem. And you can see some things are about fluents and recommended brands, engine, and you can see over here. Here is the 4x4 badging, because let us see the Thar badging, and over here also there is Thar badging, and the windshield. And you can see the windshield over here, and the wipers, and for the water spray, and some badgings are over there, you can see. And now let's show you the back of Mahindra Thar, and this is the spare tire. You must be thinking that it must be down, but it is not down. The spare tire is over here, and the braking lights, and you can see Thar badging, indicators, and fog lamps for the reverse. For the night, if somebody comes from the back, you can. Now this is the way to access the boot. You can see over here for the locks and for that system. And over here you have to stand your luggage like for this, because you can't make it like this, and there is space over here also. As you can see, you have to keep it like this. And I can't sit and show you, but because of this is how I'll show you again how to open this. I close it and I open it. Now I can show you. Now you can see, and this is for locking it. And over here that I showed you, actually it was for this. And you can see the braking lights. And Vishnu Sharma sir helped us to tell us about Mahindra Thar. So thank you sir so much. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If you liked the video, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell notification. And so you are the first one to watch that video. And please DM which car should I do the next. The username is